How to create promo code in OneXBet app. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the OneXBet app. After you are in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. Once you are logged in, you will see this kind of app interface. Now, in order to create a promo code, you need to go to your account settings. Here in this home screen, at the bottom right corner, you can see the menu option. Tap on it. Now select this other option over here. Next up, select this promo option. Once you are in this promo page, you can see this section of your promo codes. Tap on it. If you have created any promo codes before, it will all appear over here. You can see your active promo codes, your used promo codes before, expired promo codes, the inactive ones. Now, in order to create a new promo code, you need to go to this shop section. You can select the category where you want to create the promo codes. If it is for betting, let's say I'll select the single bet option right now. Once you are here, as you can see over here, you need to buy the promo codes in exchange of the points. So you need to spend 50 points in order to create one promo code. You can simply tap on this buy for 50 points option and your promo code will be created easily. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.